Hello, hello, beautiful people. Today is going to be mostly a catch-up day, so I only need you to do a couple of things. Number one, I do want you to take attendance. That'll be posted at about 11 o'clock. Then number two, I'd like for you to join me on a Zoom call on Google, which will be posted on Google Classroom with that same link. And we are going to be playing a quick review game known as Name That Property. Typically, I'll give you a card and then you'll hold up the correct card with the right answer. Can't give you a card. So what I would like for you to do in preparation for today's review activity is to grab something red, something either blue or teal, something purple, and something yellow. It could be about the size of your hand, big enough so that when you hold it up, I can see what it is. In order to prepare for that, so please have those four items. Think of this like a scavenger hunt. Go. And then after that, or actually in preparation for that, please, just review your notes. Review the four properties. Actually, there's only three properties, and then there's a change of base. So do that, and then some of you have already seen that we have posted this document. It's an overview of what we're going to be doing for the rest of this school year as we know it. And so for those of you students that have requested it and because you just love to get ahead, these are the topics that we're going to be covering. This is linked on Google Classroom already. As you can see, some people are already on there. I don't know if you can see that or not. But yeah, it gives you an overview. Each day we're switching it up a little bit. We're going to do like sometimes it'll be a check-in, sometimes it'll just be do your notes and then do the classwork, a little bit more of what we're used to. From what we did during the school year, so it should flow a little bit better. I am switching up my schedule a little bit. I'll be available every day from 2 to 3, every Monday from 2 to 3 if you'd like to have Zoom calls, because each day there's going to be an assignment, and that assignment is going to be due by 3 o'clock. I did shorten assignments to make it more doable. Notes, I gave you time for notes. If you look on, like for the 27th, for example, there'll be a logarithm checkup, 15 minutes max. Everything on here is times 3. So what I think will take like 5 minutes, I gave you 15 minutes. If I think for me it might take 15 minutes, I give you 45 minutes. That was my thinking in doing that. And so almost, sometimes just times 2. And then the assignment is definitely not going to take you 2 hours to do, but I gave you a pretty good buffer time. Every Monday, you should be submitting pictures of your work or PDF scans of your work on a Google Classroom every Monday. I don't want it anytime during the week, but I did still give you a buffer so that if you do need extra time, then just make sure that I get it by Tuesday morning. But it seems that this should help with in terms of structure. So the latest I want things is Tuesday morning. This week, if you have anything late, then just make sure that you ping me if you turn it in. But most of you guys are pretty much on point with your assignment. So good job with that. Welcome back. Miss you guys, miss seeing you guys, and to my Grays people. I am all caught up. I've watched all the episodes. I am now ready to watch whatever comes. I don't like to. Have a good day, beautiful people. See y'all later.